Hi everybody, it's Tina and I am back in my kitchen. Today we are making French toast. I had no clue what I wanted to make, so we're going to make French toast. The batter is just simply eggs, milk, cinnamon, and vanilla. That's it. In my electric skillet, which is right here next to me, I have melted some butter. Now, this thing is really simple. I'm going to try to make up enough to do the whole loaf. And then I'm going to just kind of, freeze some of this. Because obviously we're not going to eat a whole loaf of this at one time. We're not a big family here. But I wanted to make up enough that I could freeze some. And so that I don't have to cook every time we want some. If I have extra, I've got a few slices in a loaf of bread here. And I will put that in there as well if I have enough of this batter left over. And we'll cook that and stuff. But, yeah, I mean, French toast is kind of simple and easy, and I know a lot of y'all like to have stuff like this for your breakfast and that kind of stuff. It's usually a fairly big hit with kids. Now, if y'all are people that have to use soy milk, oat milk, non-cow milk alternatives, you can definitely use those. In fact, the vanilla milk alternatives are really good. Then you can skip the vanilla in there, So, if you buy that on a regular basis, go ahead and just skip the vanilla when you're making the batter. I've got lactose intolerant family members, so that's what we got. In my refrigerator, I also have in there some bacon. I'm trying to kind of make up some meals ahead so that I'm not having to cook every day. Just so tired of cooking every day, y'all. It gets old. But in my skillet, there's 3 tablespoons of melted real butter. Just something simple and easy. You gotta let that sit there a minute. I'm impatient, y'all. I don't like to sit around and wait on stuff very well. But again, if I have enough batter, I'll do this whole loaf. And if I really have enough, I'll do the rest of this. I've got a few slices of bread elsewhere. So don't think I'm not going to have any bread in my house. I do have some. And I try to keep my skillet at a fairly low temp when I'm doing this. About 250 degrees or so, because you do not want to burn this. I don't think it would taste too great burned. But I've been trying to come up with other ideas. Y'all saw me get the English muffins, the multigrain English muffins, a few weeks ago at the food pantry. At that point, I had so many bread products that I froze those. And so when I froze those, I just took them out the other day and stuff because I had some turkey bacon and stuff. So I'm actually going to make some bacon and egg English muffins also to put in the freezer for a later time. That way we can easily take those out and have something to eat for breakfast or quick easy lunch or whatever, because all you gotta do is take them out and pop them in the microwave and you are done. Also, I watch some of the other YouTubers that kind of do videos with cooking and that kind of stuff, real life living. And so I've been watching those, and one of my comments actually got noticed by one of them. And I challenged them to do a Basically, they have a large family, and it was to go and buy a month's worth of food on half the allotment for their size family in food stamps. So they got half of what they would normally get in food stamps. That's their entire monthly budget for the entire month for a large family. Now, reason I did that because a lot of people mistakenly believe that if you get food stamps, you get the full amount. You do not. There's anywhere between a range right now of $27 to however much, depending on the size of your family. $27 don't buy much, folks. So that's how I came up with the half of the total maximum amount. So we're going to see how that comes up. Right now, I'm doing semi-okay on food. I did not get to the food pantry this month. I have not felt good. Threw my back out. Then I ended up with severe allergies. And I was real sick with my allergies. I've got year-round allergies, folks, unfortunately. So, due to that, I was not able to get my food pantry this month. Hopefully next month I will be able to get up there, but I am just going to call it a loss this month and say that's life. And unfortunately it is. That's how we roll sometimes. We don't always get what we want. And sometimes we get by with what we've got. Anyway, when this gets done, I will show you what this looks like.